Practice book, page 101, boys and girls. Show me that you are ready to begin. Practice book, page 101.
Miss Perez, can you screen share it?
I will screen share it.
Thank you.
And I love your visual cue. It's so awesome.
Practice book, sprint B, page 101. I want to see everyone ready. Yes. All right, remember you have 1 minute to answer as many as you can. Just continue on, try your best. When you are done, you circle, once the 1 minute timer is up, you circle the problem that you stopped on. You circle the number of the problem here on the side once the timer goes off. Let me get my timer ready now. Ready? On your mark, get set, begin. Okay, boys and girls, time is up. Pencils up. I hope you circled the number of the problem where you left off. Now, who remembers what to do? We're going to go over our answers. We're just going to go quickly. And who remembers what to do? Allie.
Okay, sorry, I had to unmute myself. When we are done with the test, we have to put the answers in the chat.
Okay.
And like something like that.
Okay. So, yes, I do want you right now to go ahead and tell me what number you stopped on. So go ahead and tell me what number you stopped on. You can make it directly to me, right? You make it directly to me. You don't have to share with everyone. Just directly to me.
So if you get it wrong, you would have to circle the answer and then just leave it alone. If you get it right, then you just mute yourself and say yes quietly.
Thank you for that. So yes.
You circle your number when you're done on the
Great. So once we go over the answers, if you get it right, like Allie just finished saying, you keep yourself on mute and you say yes, you move on, right? If it is incorrect, if you got the answer wrong, if it's incorrect, you circle the answer. Do you have to fix it right away? No, we just move on, okay? What is our goal? Our goal is to improve from sprint A. That is our goal. All right, so I'm looking at chat. I do see some students got all the way to number 44. Good for you. And I do see lots of higher numbers than I did from sprint A. Great. All right, so let's go now and let's correct. Once again, remember, if it is correct, you leave it alone, you say yes, and we move on. If it is incorrect, you circle your answer. I realize some of you wrote your answers here instead of inside the box. All right, boys and girls, let's start. 3 times 1 equals 3. 4 times 1 equals 4. 5 times 1 equals 5. 8 times 1 equals 8. 7 times 0 equals 0. 8 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 0 equals 0. 4 times 1 equals 4. 5 times 1 equals 5. 6 times 1 equals 6. 2 times 1 equals 2. 0 divided by 2 equals 0. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 divided by 4 equals 0. 0 divided by 7 equals 0. 1 times 1 equals 1. 3 divided by 1 equals 3. 4 divided by 1 equals 4. 5 divided by 1 equals 5. 7 divided by 1 equals 7. 6 times 1 equals 6. 4 times 0 equals 0. 8 divided by 1 equals 8. 7 times 1 equals 7. 1 times 1 equals 1. 0 divided by 5 equals 0. 9 times 1 equals 9. 5 times 0 equals 0. 9 times 1 equals 9. 0 divided by 6 equals 0. 1 divided by 1 equals 1. 0 times any number, boys and girls, equals 0. You can put any number you wish there. Any number you want. Any number would be acceptable.
I only put 0.
I just put a 0 there too.
I know. I put 0 too, but I want to change it now.
But any number would
Wait,
make it true.
I put a number there, but then
The first number that came to my head.
Good. Let's go on.
Change the 0.
34 times 1 equals 34. 16 times 0 equals 0. 31 times 1 equals 31. 0 divided by 18 equals 0. 45 times 0 equals 0. 0 divided by 52 equals 0. 63 times 1 equals 63. 78 times 1 equals 78. 0 divided by 81 equals 0. 97 times 1 equals 97. 26 times 1 equals 26. 42 times 0 equals 0. Now, boys and girls, please count the ones you got correct. Remember, if you circled the answer, it was incorrect. Don't count that one. Count all the ones you got correct. Count all the ones you got correct.
Miss Bears, I got
And and write it here, please. Number correct, write it here. Okay, now, good. I see some of you already looking at your sprint A. Turn back a page. Turn back a page. Now think you're going to find the difference. The difference between sprint A and sprint B. You're going to subtract. Subtract 2 days, right? Or subtract yesterday's from today's.
Miss Perez, you know what's funny? Is that I did it on my whiteboard, and then they have 2 4s, 2 3s, and 2 1s.
Let me show you different way of doing it.
Great. So Maresi is showing us that she got 44 correct today. And yesterday, Maresi, what was your score in sprint A?
In sprint A, it was 33.
33. So 44 minus 33 equals 11. So Maresi's improvement is 11. Awesome job, Maresi. So go ahead.
I got the same improvement as yesterday, which is 10.
Great. Okay. So go ahead and after you write the number correct, now look back at sprint A and find the improvement. Go ahead and share with me. Go ahead and share with me in the chat box. You can make it directly to me or you can share to everyone. Make it directly to me or share to everyone. What was your improvement? Go ahead and write it in the chat box for me, please.
Can I get a drink real quick?
Yes. Good, boys and girls. Any type of improvement is awesome. I see improvements of 2, 5, 6. I'm seeing 12, 15. Great. 10. Any type of improvement.